Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will be discussing about the preconception pills I took that I fell pregnant within the space of 6 years. I had 3 children after 2 miscarriages. So today's discussion, I will teach you how to take the preconception pill, when to take the preconception pill, and what to do while taking the preconception pill, and also what to look out for while taking the preconception pill. Yes, so basically this is the preconception pill I took. This is from 7C's. This preconception pills has 28 pills in it. Yes, 28 pills in it. It is marked Monday to Sunday, so it's week by week, Monday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday. And this goes throughout your 28 days cycle. I mostly ended up stopping either by day 14 or by day 20. Different pregnancy that I had, that's when I stopped. I didn't even get to end up using it up to the 28 days. If your cycle is over 28 days, just get 2 sachets of it. Don't be worried, get 2 sachets of it. I will start by when to take the preconception pill. So guys, basically when I start taking my preconception pill, please listen carefully and take this note down. Follow it correctly and how I have said it. This is the way I took it. Basically, I start taking my preconception pill the very day I see my period. So the very day I start seeing blood coming out, the reddish discharge coming out, my period starts. That very day I take the first pill, and that's how I continue taking the preconception pill every day. Even after my period is gone, I continue taking it. So if you are a starter, once you get this preconception pill, start taking it the very first day you start your period, the very first day you see the bloody discharge. Start taking it from day 1 of the period. I never get to take the pills while I see my next period. Why? Because I fell pregnant in between. So you make sure you start taking it the very first day you see your period, and you keep on going. Don't stop when your period stop, guys. Don't stop when your period stop. So until you finally find out you're pregnant. So the next step is you make sure you know your cycle properly, you understand your cycle properly. Last video I discussed about how to calculate your cycle. So if you really don't understand much about your cycle, you can go and check the video, and I've also added it to the description below. Check it out and understand your cycle. I've already given details about that, so if you can check my last video, you will see how you can go about that. So 14 days after you see your period, that is when you ovulate. Make sure you are diligent about taking your pills. Please don't miss a day. Make sure you try as much as you can to follow it day by day. It's already on it, Monday to Sunday, week by week, up to 28 days. Just try as much as you can to go back to my last video that I have explained in details how to calculate your ovulation and how to calculate your cycle. Then you make sure you meet with your partner while you are still on the pill when you see your ovulation discharge. And guys, this works like magic. I am not exaggerating. It works like magic. Just make sure you follow the step by step as I've explained. Next step, this can be funny. I've been struggling to talk about this last step, and this is very, very important. Quote me, it is very, very important. It's personal to me, but I have to share with you because I want everyone to be happy the way I'm happy as well. So this last step, please do not judge me if you are watching this. So guys, this last step, after meeting with your partner, okay, now you are taking your pills, right? when you start seeing your period. Then you calculate your cycle properly and know when is your most fertile period, and watch out for your ovulation discharge. Then meet with your partner. That's the third one. You meet with your partner. You just make sure you enjoy it. Don't just do it like, okay, I just want to get pregnant. Make sure you enjoy every bit of it. After you are done with you meet with your partner, right? And most times what we do, we just quickly rush off out of the bed and go to clean up. Guys, that's the wrong thing we've been doing, and that's what has really delayed us from getting pregnant. So what you need to do after you meet with your partner, right? Don't leave the bed. You have to stay on bed for like 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. That doesn't mean you are dirty. No, you know what you're looking for. 20 minutes is not too much for you to get what you're looking for. Why? Because when you get off the bed immediately after you meet with your partner, right, the sperm tends to flow down. And all we need is for the sperm to go up to go and fertilize the egg. So don't leave the bed immediately. What you need to do, lay on the bed and turn yourself upside down. I wish I can demonstrate this. So what I basically do, I turn myself upside down like you're doing yoga. So I turn myself upside down. I lift my two legs towards the headboard and use either like a towel. You can fold towel. Let it just be a bit high, because the pillow can make it too high. Towel, not too high pillow or not too high towel, in between your waist and your bum, just to tilt it a bit. So to tilt your bum a bit, when you tilt it a bit, that way the sperm tends not to escape. It goes nowhere. It's going right to the egg to fertilize the egg. This is what has worked for me. The sperm goes nowhere. What you do, one, stay in bed for about 20 minutes. Don't leave the bed after you meet with your partner. Don't leave the bed immediately. Stay on the bed for like 20 minutes. Then you lift your two legs on the headboard and tilt your bum. That way the sperm goes right in there to fertilize the egg. So basically that's all I did, and this worked for me. I have also shared these tips with some of my friends and family. It also works. So guys, this is basically what I did, and try it out. Make sure you follow each step. That is just all the tips I used. That I had 3 children, guys, 3 children in the space of 6 years after 2 miscarriages. That's just all the tips. And thank you guys for listening to these little tips of mine, and I hope this will be really helpful for you. Just follow it details by details, step by step, and guys, you will thank me later. You are seeing this video and you don't need this video, but you know someone that knows someone that knows someone that needs this information. You can share as well. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.